Don't worry about that. Things are changing, man.
About 3 weeks now since me get the cream from Siva, you know, man. And the cream barely I work, you know. So long me have to take to get a girl. Yo, me don't like them something, you know, man. That's how me just look girl, you know. And I wait for no cream, you know. Yo. I can't bother with my youth. The girl man pines and I talk about be a girl dog and a be a mad people dog. Man, me put by all mask on my face dog. One thing left for me do still, you know. And I call Engine Oil. I make me and him go up on a little mission. And watch what me going do. Yo, who this a call me dog? Hello? Engine Oil. Yeah. Where you there, brother? Brother, me I look for you all long, brother, for we go up on a mission, brother, cause the cream my boy Silver give me about 3 weeks ago and now in our so I want me and you go deal with a little badness. Where you there? Make me know right now. Oh, me there on a little mission, me dog, and I'm a killer them bring me dog. Say I be a girl upon the ends, me dog, and I be a mad people, brother. Me have to buy all mask. You see me? And if you're outside, me can even do in a place, brother. Yo, I trade even know. But how are this? So you go stay where them mad people kill you, fool. Left where they and come link me, man. You idiot. I saw me know say you no mind for your own, you know. I want to your Engine Oil. Yes, man, that me have to go look for true right now. My dog get a link, you know. Call the energy and right. I have to left the block and right now. Yeah, man, come see say you're a fool now, man. Left from this a long time. If I go pines, go be a mad people. I must see boy man go scary too, you know. The boy hang up. Alright. Reach on my foot. Boy, handbrakes me finally find you. What go on? Took you long enough to find me, man, handbrakes. How you there so long, man, my father? I'm there wait for you how long? How you even find me? Boy, you know, say when me reach in the yard, so me see one cursing Isle and me ask him where there. And I see you there on the back half. Yeah, man, I saw me there, man. What kind of waste man ends at me here say you go upon my father? Be old people. Brother, you can't to follow up mongoose them youth, you know that. Oh, I'm tell you, me ain't go on a little mission. Cause cream my boy Silver give me as me that tell you say yo, it not work. You see me? So me ain't go flick out to cream from down and Miss Joe, yeah. And me say she stack them up enough, you know. No handbrakes. No, me not depend that. Miss Joe a good man, you know, you didn't know that? You see me follow this man go look woman and what I gonna be a mad people. Me gonna follow you on a gunshot. Yeah, what? You go on. Me not go nowhere. Me go on my yard. Engine Oil, I really me I do this Engine Oil. We crush so much mission, brother. You want me know you're shaky, you know, my dog. You're shaky, you know. You're shaky. Me want me go crush my mission. I say nothing. You hear that?
My nigga.
You make it to the end if you see this. When you like, subscribe and share. If you like the video, turn on post notification to see the video them as them drop. Banger, you know, I'm out.